the most widespread hawk in North America, found in any kind of terrain. The red-tailed hawk. This hardy little bird is a permanent resident along the Pacific coast. Anna's hummingbird spends most of its time on the ground. Brown thrasher. Smallest falcon in North America. The American kestrel. Can see them from southern Canada to central Mexico. Mourning dove is the size of a hawk, living both as a scavenger and a predator. Common raven. Can see them almost along coastlines, lakes, and rivers. It is an osprey. These birds are sociable. It's rare to see just one. Cedar waxwing. Official state bird of 7 states. The males are bright red, females are duller. The North cardinal has rich baritone hoot, found in woodlands, wooded swamps. A barred owl is a member of the plover family. It is a killdeer. Brilliantly colored, flaming orange and black,